Shilluk, Nilotic people living along the west bank of the Nile, between Lake No and latitude 12 degrees north in South Sudan. They speak an Eastern Sudanic language of the Nilo-Saharan language family. The Shilluk are sedentary agriculturists with strong pastoral interests: cattle, sheep, and goats. Men hunt, herd, and milk the livestock. Both sexes do agricultural work. The community is a cluster of hamlets, with a headman elected by a council of hamlet heads from among the members of a dominant lineage. The Shilluk were historically united in a single state headed by a divine king, Reth, chosen from the sons of previous kings. The king's physical and ritual well-being was held to ensure the prosperity of the whole land. The large royal clan traced descent from the first king and culture hero, Nikango. In addition to several classes of royalty, the Shilluk traditionally were divided into commoners, royal retainers, and slaves. See also Niolite.